Nakapag wine tasting ka na ba? Ako hindi pa. Tara, samahan mo kami. Subukan natin mag wine tasting. Nandito tayo ngayon sa South Coast Resort, Spa and Winery. Dito sa Temecula, California. Tara, let's go! So ganito ang villa nila. So it's like a hotel room separated into 4 squares. So ito ang itsura nila. So dalawa dito sa side na to, dalawa dito sa side na to. So ngayon kung maingay kayo sa gabi, pag alam mo na, itong tamang-tama sa'yo. Diba? So ito yung hotel. So pupunta kami sa wine tasting. So from there, you're gonna walk all the way there to go there for the wine tasting. Let's go. Ayan, I'm walking through the grapevines. Actual grapes talaga yan. So ayan ang vineyard ng South Coast Spa and Winery. This is the event area ng South Coast Resort, Winery and Spa. So if you're planning to have a wedding, it's really nice to have it here kasi they have a big space. Tapos ang view mo is the winery itself and the hotel back there.